Igor Tuchulko, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. This is Karakorum, the ancient capital city of Mongolia. Chinggis Khan issued a decree that in 1220 this should be made the capital, but it wasn't realized until his son Ugadai actually built here. This is the Orkhon Golth River, and legend has it this is where Chinggis Khan was buried, right in this area. Now, to date, no one has ever found his tomb, and that's partly because his heir slaughtered anyone who had the unlucky chance of spotting the funeral procession.